In this house we did a cleaning and organization for a family in Melbourne. This whole house cleaning process is going to be a big new start for them. And we are super excited to help them to reset and restart their entire place. Our process consists of 1. Collect all rubbish, clearing the areas to achieve a better result. 2. Select the items to keep, always being careful not to throw away anything that is important to you. 3. Deep cleaning and scrub. We clean all areas, including floors, walls, cobwebs, etc. And finally, 4. Organize. When everything is clean, the objects begin to be organized in the right place. Our decluttering services are perfect for you and we'd love to help you. We have trained professionals ready to change and clean your house so you can live better. No project is too small or too big. Call us today to start your journey towards a better quality of life. Our 30 minutes free consultation might be the first step to your new life. If you like this type of content, follow us on all our social networks and also share it with a family member who may need an organization and deep cleaning.